We're learning more about the woman who says a Norfolk police officer hit her in the face during a traffic stop. Ebony Holmes appeared in court for a hearing today.
She faces 2 charges connected to that stop, but her attorney wants those charges thrown out. Allie Weatherden tells us more about what happened that night.
Ebony Holmes says a Norfolk police officer hit her during a traffic stop last July. For the first time, we're seeing police body camera video.
It's hard for me to talk about because I try not to talk about it. I keep that blocked off.
Holmes faces charges of reckless driving and obstruction of justice, but her attorney wants those charges dropped.
I sent an email to the Commonwealth attorney. They have the power to dismiss both of these charges. I asked him to do it. He has not done it.
Amina Matheny Willard argues that the police officer didn't follow Virginia's statute.
The main argument is that when an officer pulls someone over for a Class 1 misdemeanor, they're supposed to write them a summons. The statute says they shall write them a summons. They're not supposed to arrest them.
Today, the police officer told a judge Holmes assaulted him by pushing her car door open and hitting him. Holmes says she followed the officer's instructions and tried to get out of the car.
When she opened the car to get out, that's when he got even more angry, and it just went downhill from there.
A judge continued the case and will soon decide whether to dismiss the charges. The next court date for the pretrial motions is scheduled for April 25th. In Norfolk, Allie Weatherden, 13 News Now.
Holmes, her attorney, and civil rights advocates are calling for Norfolk Police Chief Larry Boone to fire the police officer.
They also want the officer decertified. 13 News Now reached out to Norfolk Police, to the leaders of the police department for a comment, and are waiting to hear back.